selected, you can answer 10 questions in 60 seconds and you'll win a huge prize of $1,000. Sign up at
Taking the dogs out for pizza. Yes, they have air conditioning. They look like they don't, but the air conditioning's on.
That's how excited they are.
They're just so excited back there.
Not on your brother's leash.
Alright, I got them on film.
Macguyver. Dude!
What's in there? Is that for you? Is that pizza for you? Do you want it to be microwaved? Do you want your pizza? You okay? You alright? Yeah. So, would you like a pig's ear? Merry Christmas, Dalton. Would you like a pig's ear? Come on, let's go outside with that. Look how happy he is. Okay. Are you ready to go outside? What do you think? What do you think of the snow? Come on. What do you think? Are you happy with it? Oh, you're not happy with the snow. Are you happy now? Is that what you wanted? You wanted your jacket on? Alright, let me make sure I get that on there right for you. Alright, now let's try going outside with your jacket on. Let's see if you like it better now. Alright. Oh, maybe not. Just a few minutes, and you're gonna come right back in. Alright. So. Good morning, everyone. This morning we ran out of hamburgers, so this morning I'm cooking bacon. Cooking it really well done. Just making a bacon sandwich. And here's Dalton the Great Dane. Will you sit down? Sit. Well, there's no doubt in my mind that he didn't love that sandwich. Is that good? Hope you all have a great day. Bye. Okay, now let's see. Go on. Let's see it. Come on. Come here. Come on. Come here. Down. Come on. Very good. Will you sit down? You gotta sit down. Sit down, Dalton. You want your breakfast? Good morning, everyone. It's Friday morning today. A few more days spoiling my favorite dog here. Sit down. Sit. Sit down. Look what a good boy he is. What else can you do? Look at you. Yeah. I wish I had a camper, because I'm sure this dog is bored crazy just being stuck in the house every day. I tried to put him in the cab of my Toyota, the front seat, and he's just way too big. He couldn't fit in there. If I had more time, I'd probably pull that front seat out. With the front seat gone and the little area in the back, you'd probably have enough room in there, but that's just too much to do right now. So he's just gonna get spoiled here. I can't take him for a walk in the neighborhood because there's chihuahuas that run loose, and he goes nuts for them. I'm afraid. I don't know if he'd actually bite one if he comes near or if he just wants to play. I really can't tell, and I don't want to find out. So I'm getting all my tools packed back up for the week. Yesterday I was lazy after I changed off my belt. I didn't want to organize everything, so I just brought it all in the house. Today I got to get my truck all organized again. All right, you'll be good. You know what, actually, let's give him a treat. And then we'll go look at the Toyota. I got to get him some more treats today. So, you know what, actually, he may make a mess with this. Let's let him outside and then we'll give him a treat. Hang on. Oh, he's trying to grab it from me. All right, here you go, buddy. All right. All right, he's happy now. All right, guys, let's go check this Toyota. Guys, this is a high mileage truck. I just don't want to spend the money on a new truck right now. So I'm trying to keep this one running. You guys can hear the train over there that always wakes me up when I try to sleep during the day. So with the new belt on, it's quiet. It doesn't squeal anymore. Everything's good up there. The heat's working great right now. So it's still warming up, 159 degrees. I should have brought a little thermostat to put in here to show you guys that the heat's working great. I did flush my cooling system one more time yesterday. Just want to make sure everything's good on there. You got a little bit of rattle by the catalytic converter. I believe it's just that shield right there that's starting to rattle. And other than that, guys, it's starting to look good. You know what? That may be causing it right there. I think it is. When I had my frame welded, it looks like they just cut that, so it keeps popping off. So I'm gonna try to find this piece today for this hanger. I'll get a new piece on there, new rubber bushing. Yeah, that definitely looks like that's what's causing it. Possibly causing it. My tires are wearing strange. You guys can see on the inner edge here, it's starting to cup a bit. Most of the time that's from your toe, be it slightly off or the camber. Now these upper and lower control arms were changed a little over a year ago. I put on these new sway bar bushings yesterday. These are just some cheap AutoZone ones. Nothing special on there. While I was down there, I noticed my tie rod boots are torn. Tie rods are still good, they don't have play, but the boots are torn. So I'm gonna try to grease those today, just to make sure dirt doesn't get in it. You can see on the other side it's really torn. With the new belt on there, it's really quiet now. It's not perfect, but it's better. We'll put it that way. And with the new sway bar bushings on there, the front end doesn't pop anymore when I make the sharp turn on there. So I'm almost there, guys. I almost have it 100%. Today I'm going to go to my storage. I'm going to look. I bought a front end kit for this a long time ago. I never used it, but I do have extra tie rod ends in there. So I'm going to see if I can find that, possibly use those. just to replace so his boots are torn. And then go get my alignment checked. Probably next day's off, I'll get this alignment checked because there's definitely something going on in there. It's not real bad, but you could definitely tell this tire's not wearing correctly. That's it, guys. Slowly making improvements on this thing. I do want to get another camper shell for the back of this thing very soon. I gotta clean this stuff up today. This is the shield for the front of the truck. And we'll go from there. Let's see what the dog's doing. Let's see where he's at. There he is. Hi, Dalton. Alright, everyone, have a great day. Sit down. Sit down, Dalton. Last night, you're gonna spoil this dog. I'm gonna miss him. Tonight, he's just gonna get a piece of pizza. He shouldn't be having this, but it's our last night. Oh, you took it off the plate. Sit down, Dalton. Sit down. Dalton, sit down. It's our last breakfast together, Dalton. Hope you enjoy it. Sit down, Dalton. Come here, Bob. Come on. Sit. Dalton, sit down. Good boy. Here you go. Good morning, everyone. This is Cuddles of the Great Dane. Look at him. Look how huge he is, and he still wants cuddles like he's a little puppy. I'm gonna miss this dog. I spoiled him maybe a little bit too much over the past 2 weeks. Hope you all have a great day. Bye.